Two standout insurance providers, one burning question: which one truly has your back? On one side, we have Nationwide, known for its nationwide coverage and community focus. On the other side, Amica Mutual, celebrated for personalized service and customer satisfaction. Let's cut through the slogans and see how they stack up where it really matters. Each category earns points, and by the end you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The final verdict might take you by surprise. So check this out, I've got a mind map of our battle plan. Here, what we'll be ranking these two on: price, customer satisfaction, claims service, financial strength, policy options, and their digital experience. Yeah, we're covering all the good stuff you actually care about. Let's kick it off with price. Nationwide has a ton of discount options, like you can really stack them up if you bundle multiple policies, and it's a big but they're not exactly the cheapest for a lot of drivers. Sometimes you just don't see those big savings. Now Amica, oh now we're talking. Their base rates are often lower, and for the amount of coverage you get, it's solid value. Although one catch: they aren't always the best deal if you're considered high risk. Still, if budget's your main thing, Amica slides ahead here. Next up, customer satisfaction. Nationwide does well here. They pull some solid scores from J.D. Power, and you don't see a lot of complaints on record. There are those occasional stories about slow claims, though, which can be a pain. Now with Amica, it's honestly impressive. Year after year, they just dominate the J.D. Power charts. Seriously, their customers are ride-or-die happy, and complaints are super rare. There is one quirk though: you gotta qualify for membership, but if you're in, amazing service. Amica is definitely out in front for making people happy. Alright, let's talk claims service. With Nationwide, they've built out some pretty robust online tools. You can do a lot digitally, which is super handy. The downside? Some folks feel like the payouts aren't always as quick as they'd like. Now Amica, oof, they're legit in this department. We're talking fast, fair claim handling. Their adjusters seem to actually care, which is weirdly rare today. The one hiccup: Amica isn't everywhere just yet, but if you can get them, their claims game is next level. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Amica is actually the oldest mutual auto insurer in the US, having started way back in 1907. I know, right? That's some serious legacy. Now, financial strength. This is where both insurers flex. Nationwide's rating is in that A+ to A++ sweet spot, so you know they're solid. Amica, highest possible AM best rating, boom. Honestly, you're not risking anything with either company, so this round's a tie. Policy options time. Here, where Nationwide starts showing off a bit. They've got coverage for just about everything: auto, home, specialty stuff all across the country. For the wild deals, you might have to bundle, but hey, that's kind of the industry nowadays. Amica, though, they keep it a little tighter, mostly auto and home, great quality, but fewer bells and whistles if you want, say, motorcycle insurance. So if you want one-stop shopping, Nationwide is your pick. Last one, digital experience. Nationwide's app is pretty feature-packed, and you can manage just about everything online anytime you want. Still, word on the street is the app's reliability can change depending on where you are, which is not ideal. Amica, on the other hand, their digital stuff is stripped down but super clean and easy to use. Not many power features though, so if you're all about tech, Nationwide pulls ahead by a nose. If we threw all these categories onto a radar chart, you'd see Amica just nailing customer satisfaction, claims, and price, while Nationwide has its moments, especially for wider options and digital. Financial strength? Both basically untouchable. So bottom line, if feeling taken care of and getting your claims paid smooth as butter matters most, Amica is your go-to. If you want maximum flexibility, broad policy choices, and you're a tech lover, that's when you look at Nationwide. Honestly, there's a clear winner for most people, but hey, it's your call. If this helped at all, don't forget to follow for more insurance breakdowns and insider tips. Seriously, I've got a ton more coming.